और बिहार में असेंबली इंतखाबात की तारीखों का ऐलान कर दिया गया। इसके साथ ही बिहार में इंतखाबी ज़ाब्ता अखलाक भी नाफिज हो गया है। इलेक्शन कमीशन की जानिब से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके इसकी जानकारी दी गई। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर सुनील अरोड़ा ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके जानकारी दी कि बिहार में पहले मरहले की वोटिंग 28 अक्टूबर को और दूसरे की 3 नवंबर को और तीसरे मरहले की वोटिंग 7 नवंबर को कराई जाएगी और नतीजों का ऐलान 10 नवंबर को किया जाएगा। कोरोना वबा के बीच कराए जा रहे वोटिंग में कई तरह के एहतियात बरते जाएंगे। इस सिलसिले में वोटिंग के वक्त में 1 घंटे का इजाफा भी किया गया है। तो बिहार में इंतखाबात का ऐलान हो गया है और आपको बता दें ये पहला ऐसा मौका होगा जब ये कोरोना के इस वबा के दौर में किसी रियासत में इलेक्शन कराए जाने हैं और बिहार में अब ज़ाब्ता अखलाक भी नाफिज हो गया है।
फर्स्ट फेज इश्यू ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन 1 अक्टूबर, लास्ट डेट ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन 8 October. Is it right? Scrutiny of nominations 9 October. Is it clear? Last date of withdrawal of candidature 12 October. Date of poll 28 October. Counting of votes 10th November, but that will be for all the phases, right? Issue of notification 9th October. Last date of nomination 16th October. Whenever you want me to repeat, I will repeat, gladly repeat. Scrutiny of nomination 17th October. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 19th October. Date of poll 3rd November. Counting, as I said earlier, 10th November. Issue of notification 13th October. 13th October. 13 October. Last date of nomination 20th October. 20 October. Scrutiny of nomination 21 October. 21st October. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 23rd October. 23 October. Date of poll 7th November. 7 November. Counting of votes 10th November. Door-to-door campaigning has been restricted to 5 persons, including the candidate. Road shows are allowed, subject to the convoy being broken after every 5 vehicles. All election meetings and gatherings will have to adhere strictly to the health and safety protocols and shall be monitored at all levels by the election and health machinery in the field in the various districts of Bihar. Adverse use of social media platforms has emerged as a new challenge in the recent times. As such, it is necessary that persons or organizations misusing social media or similar digital platforms are dealt with sternly and kept at bay. The Commission would like to make it emphatically clear that anyone who makes mischievous use of social media, for example, trying to foment communal tensions, etc., for electoral purpose, shall have to face the consequences under the law of the land. So today, friends, we are here. The Commission is here before you to announce the elections to the largest assembly of one of the largest states of India, which is Bihar. I think if you see the relative statistics, it would probably be, as a very senior friend from media said in the morning, the biggest election in the world in the COVID times, in the immediate future. In order to further decongest polling spaces and allow more free movement of the voters, polling time has been increased. Polling time has been increased by 1 hour. Polling will now be held from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. instead of 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. earlier. However, this will not be applicable to the left wing affected areas. Nomination form and affidavit can now be filled up online and print out submitted to RO. Offline is also allowed, but online is also been introduced. Besides all this, security money can also be deposited through online mode. Candidates can also seek electoral certification digitally. The number of persons accompanying a candidate for submission of nomination has been restricted to 2. I repeat 2. And the number of vehicles shall be restricted to 2. I repeat 2.